Hey guys, so yesterday I got a package from Sikat Boutique Chips.
When just came in, vlogger mail.
And I haven't opened it yet because I thought, why not dahin sa school to share and ask my friends, tanungin kung what they think about this potato chip. So, let's start!
Meron siyang like, tissue taste at first, pero medyo itlasa siya at first, pero pag nakain mo naman na ng totally chips, maayos naman talaga yung lasa niya. For me, it's like a high 6 out of 10.
Come to mind when I tasted it. After reading like the case of it, says salted egg. For some reason I don't know why it's called salted egg. For me it's just like it tastes like plain chips for me, but it's kinda good. It's not that typical chips that you can buy anywhere, like just say. This is more tastier. Also this is organic. Wow, I didn't know that.
Honestly, I love chips, and this one is great. And I'd love to have it while watching movies or reading books. So it's better.
Delicious. I like the combination of sweetness, tanginess, and the softness at the same time. I'm actually amazed because I've never tasted something like this before. It tasted something fishy and at the same time salty and the taste of potato chips, but it's not really potato chips, but it's a salted egg, so everything for me.
Tastes fishy, but tastes like bread, but it's potato chips. It kind of looks like it. But tastes good, and I really love potato chips, and it's a good alternative for other junk foods because it's organic, and yeah, it tastes good. So I give it like 7.
Kasi egg talaga siya ate. Bongga. Ang pangalan? Bongga siya ate. Bongga talaga niya. Fairness.
No. Okay naman yung lasa niya. Medyo salty lang. Masyadong salty. Medyo ma-cold. Pero yung lasa niya okay. Bawasan lang ng salt. Yung crispiness. Kasi potato. Masarap naman. Like yung mga kamote chips. Mas gusto ko siya kaysa.
Medyo masarap. Yung ano lang yung unat niya. Medyo soft na siya. First taste ko naman, hindi ko pa alam kung masusuwi ako. Hindi ko pa alam. Magmatagal ko sa plate.
Potato chips na hindi makakalain na galing yung sa egg. Basta lasa siyang potato chips na akala mo from potato talaga. Hindi siya masyadong salty, hindi katulad ng ibang potato chips. Pero tamang-tama lang yung ano niya, saltiness, and may pagka-matamis din siya. Tapos maganda yung texture. And akala ko talaga at first nung kinain ko, potato siya. Tapos